What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mr. Beast here, and we're about to dive into the future of business. We're talking about the hottest industries to get into, the ones that are going to be absolutely booming in just a couple of years. If you're tired of that 9-to-5 grind or just want to be your own boss and make some serious bank, then you got to check this out. This is Skill Hub, and we're here to give you the inside scoop on how to crush it in the business world. Make sure you're subscribed and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of our crazy videos. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, we've got something for everyone. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this bread. Alright guys, let's talk about e-commerce. You know that little thing where you buy stuff online? Yeah, well, it's not so little anymore, it's exploding. People are ditching those long lines and crowded malls for the convenience of shopping in their pajamas. And who can blame them? It's awesome. Think about it, you can sell almost anything online these days. Clothes, electronics, pet rocks, you name it. And the best part? You don't need $1 million to get started. You can set up shop on platforms like Shopify or Etsy and start raking in the dough. Here's the thing though, you gotta be smart about it. Find a niche, something you're passionate about, and become the ultimate destination for it. Like, imagine a store that sells nothing but custom-designed phone cases with pictures of sloths on them. Genius! And don't forget about social media, that's your secret weapon to reach millions of potential customers. Create engaging content, run some crazy ads, and watch the orders flood in. We're talking about life-changing money here, people, so what are you waiting for? Start building your e-commerce empire today. Alright, let's talk about something near and dear to my heart, saving the planet. But here's the kicker, you can actually make a ton of money doing it. The green energy revolution is here, and it's only getting bigger. People are ditching fossil fuels faster than I can eat a plate of nachos, and for good reason. We gotta protect this planet, yo. Plus, who doesn't love saving money on their energy bills? So how can you cash in on this green gold rush? Well, there are tons of options. You could install solar panels, design energy-efficient homes, or even start a business recycling old tech gadgets. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is, governments and investors are throwing money at green energy companies like it's going out of style. They know this is the future, and they want to be a part of it. Listen, starting a green energy business isn't just good for your wallet, it's good for your soul. You'll be making a real difference in the world while building a successful company. That's what I call a win-win. Chapter 3. Remote Work Services. The future is flexible. Alright, let's be real. Nobody likes being stuck in an office all day. We'd rather be... So there you have it, folks. 3 incredible business ideas that are guaranteed to be massive in 2025. Whether you're passionate about online shopping, saving the planet, or just want the freedom to work from anywhere, there's an opportunity out there for you. Remember, the key to success is to take action. Don't just let these ideas sit in your head. Start researching, make a plan, and go after your dreams. And don't forget to subscribe to Skill Hub for more awesome content like this. We'll be back soon with more tips, tricks, and mind-blowing ideas to help you crush it in the business world. Until next time, peace out.